Hello everyone. Hi guys. Hi Parelok. Pilong kumno man takasay. Hi guys. Hi everyone. Everyone miss you. Every two miss me. Yes, man takasay ko man ong ba. Kings. The Charlie Chaplin is back. Who was that? Was you or me or who? You don't know anything about that. But I want to tell you only one answer. But it's me. If you don't believe, look into my eyes. Look at my eyeline. Myself, but you look also you like me. But you know, if the King Charlie Chaplin is out of us is dead, but no, now it is returned again in this world. But you know, who was that? It was me. Look into my eyes. Look into my face. It's him, but not only it's him. It matched with the king of the Charlie Chaplin. But I know you will love this. Please subscribe my channel and follow to my Facebook page. You search the name JN Story, and this is YouTube channel Bapahan Tongni. I will change also my nickname into my next video. I will become a King Charlie Chaplin. You know, but thank you so much for you watching and support me every time for my video. Okay, bye.
अभी मजा आएगा ना